Hi friends, welcome to the field of YouTube where you are watching this video on Durant Study channel, where today we are going to discuss on the topic of iteration statement. Okay, this is our topic. So the iteration statement. What is iteration statement? Iteration statements are used to repeat the execution of a list of statements. Okay, which are basically depending on the value of an integer expression. I repeat, the iterative statement are used to repeat the execution of a list of statements depending on the value of an integer expression. Okay, in C language supports three types of iterative statements, which are also known as looping statements, which I had shown you here in this place. The iterative statement is basically being divided into three parts: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay, so now let's start talking with while loop. Okay, this one, while loop. In while loop, the condition is tested before any of the statement in the statement block. The statement block is executed. Okay, I repeat, in while loop, the condition is tested before any of the statements in the statement block is executed. If the condition is true, okay, if the condition is true, only then the statement will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then the control will jump to statement y. Okay, see, simply it is being stated here in this place. Again I am saying the same thing. If the condition is true, if this condition is true, okay, let's in this place we have taken a condition. That particular condition is being matched with this condition. Okay, and if the condition is true, okay, according to this statement, the condition is true, then only the statement will be executed. These statements will be executed. Else, if the condition is false, the control will jump to statement y. Okay, which is the immediate statement outside the while loop block. So let's talk about the syntax of while loop. Yeah, this is the syntax of while loop. See, we were taking a statement namely as x. Okay, so in while there is a condition, in while function there is a condition. Okay, in this condition is being matched as per the statement we have given, and if the condition is true, then only statement block will be executed. Else, this condition will jump straight out towards this statement y. Okay, now let's run towards the while loop. After while loop there is do while loop. So let's go. In do while loop, in do while loop, the loop is almost similar to the while loop. Okay, the only difference is that in a do while loop, the test condition is tested at the end of the loop. Okay, now that the test condition is tested at the end, this clearly means that the body of the loop gets executed at least one time. Okay, here the given figure shows the general form representation of do while loop. Okay, see, a statement is being given. The statement simply passes from the do part. In that do part, the statement block is there. See, this part is known as the do part. Okay, within this do part, the function, the statement block, update, the conditions expression, all are done. Okay, and after these two areas, this condition is in while statement. Okay, and while there is a condition, this condition is being matched as per the statement given. Okay, and if the condition is true, again the same function is being sent to the do method, where all the functions are done. Then again the condition is checked. If the condition fails or false, then the loop gets out directly in statement y. Okay, so let's check our syntax, which is based on this structure. See, we have a statement x. In do we have the statement block. Okay, and here is the while we have a condition. In this condition, it is being checked with respect to the statement x. If the condition is true, statement block will execute, and if this condition fails, then the loop will straight go out in statement y. Okay, now let's move on towards the for loop, the last one, for loop. Okay, what is for loop? In for loop, like the while loop and do while loop, the for loop provides a mechanism to repeat a task until a particular condition is true. Okay, it is also known as a determinate or definite loop, because the programmer knows exactly how many times the loop will repeat. The number of times the number of times the loop has to be executed can be determined mathematically by checking the logic of the loop. Okay, so let's have a look on the general form of for loop. Okay, see, I hope you can see this. Yes, so look here, this is the initialization of loop variable. Okay, after initialization of a loop variable, we are directly in control condition for loop variable. Okay, if the condition is true, then the statement block is being executed, and the update the loop variable works. This is sent to again the initialization of loop variable. Okay, in case the condition false, then the entire for loop will get execute and will get exit, and the statement will straight go out towards the statement y. So let's check the syntax, which is based on this structure. See, for, this is for. Okay, in first bracket initialization. Here in this place we give the initialization, then a semicolon means separation, semicolon, then a condition is given, then again semicolon, then we can do increment, decrement or update. Okay, these three things can be done here. In these braces we make the statement block. If this condition satisfies, condition satisfies, then the statement block executes, else it goes towards the statement y. Now let's go towards the coding section. Okay, yeah, here in while loop we have taken an example which is based on printing 20 horizontal asterisk, means this star. Okay, and hash include stdio.h main function. In these two braces we have taken a variable I which is being initialized with 1. The value 1 is being initialized in I, having a data type integer. Now we are running a while loop where while in between the first brackets we are giving I less than equals to 20. Why? Because we want to print 20 horizontal asterisks. Okay, that's why we are giving star. We are printing star. How many times? 20 times. Okay, as we are giving I plus plus, means I plus plus means increment of the value, particular value, the variable I, increment of the particular variable I by 1. Okay, every time the condition will be checked and this I will be incremented by 1 till this condition satisfies, means the moment I will become 20. Okay, the while loop will run at that time also, but then again when it will check when I becomes 21, the condition fails and the result is being sent to the system. So let's check by compiling it. First we will compile. See, 0 errors, 0 warnings, so we can run it. See, there are 20 stars. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can clarify it from here, that let's print the serial number percentage %d in brackets, so that we can get a clarification that yes, the thing is being printed 20 times, right? Alright, I, yeah, control S. So let's compile it. See, 0 errors, 0 warnings, so we can run it. See, 1 2 3 4 and so on, like this up to 20, means we have printed this star up to 20 times. Okay, now let's go towards do while. In do while loop we are taking an example which is based on write a program to calculate the average of first n numbers, means we are taking a variable n, we will give input in that variable, and up to that variable all the numbers will be added, we get the result, and all the numbers will make an average and we will get the result. Okay, so for this we are taking hash include stdio.h int main function. In between these two braces I is being initialized with 0, n and sum is being initialized with 0, having a data type of integer. Okay, again average avg for average equals to 0.0, because the 0.0 data is being initialized in avg having float data type. Okay, now we are going to print enter the value of n, enter the value of n. Okay, /t defines tab, means a space. Now scanf %d ampersand n, means address of n variable. Okay, we will give here the number, the particular number up to which the thing will be added. Okay, all the numbers will be added. So in do part, in the portion of do between these two brackets, second bracket, we are adding sum. Okay, sum equals to sum plus I, and I is being incremented by 1 on every turn. Okay, means while I is less than equals to n, the condition is I is less than equals to n, till the moment I is smaller or equal to n. Up to till that loop the condition will be followed. Okay, now after getting the sum, we will get a sum here in this result. We have to take the average, right? This average. So what we need to do, we will take an average avg here, this one avg. Okay, then avg equals to sum, this sum. Okay, sum divided by n. Okay, so print f, in between printf we will type the sum of first n numbers equals to percentage d comma sum for this one, sum, the result, and printf the average of first n numbers percentage f for float. Okay, avg average, this one average. Okay, so let's compile it. See, 0 errors, 0 warning, so we can run it. So let's give a number, say 26, enter. See, the sum of first n numbers equals to 351. The average of first n numbers equals to 13. Okay, 13.0, 13. Now let's run towards the for loop. Okay, so here in for loop we have taken an example which is based on write a program using the for loop to calculate factorial of a number. Okay, I hope you all guys know about the term factorial. Okay, say if you have a number, say 5, so how to calculate the factorial of 5? And 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, we will multiply these all numbers, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will multiply, the result which we will get is the factorial of 5, that is 120. Okay, now let's run it. Int main function, between these two braces, int fact equals to I. In fact variable I have initialized 1, okay, as integer data type, and a variable num and I. Okay, now in printf enter the number. Okay, scanf, we are taking an input of num, address of num, okay, which is integer data type. Now if num equal to 0, I think I have told you in earlier videos also that equals to double equals to means, this kind of double equals to means that the value of num is equal to the value of this, okay, 0. Okay, so if this kind of situation occurs, then fact is equals to 1. We have taken this condition. Else in else part we have taken for loop for I equals to 1, I less than equals to num, I plus plus, means I is taken as 1, I is being initialized as 1, then I less than equals to num, means the value which we will give in num will be compared with I till the moment I becomes equal to num. Okay, and every time checking, while it will be checked, I will be increased by 1 in this way. Okay, now fact equals to fact into I. Every time the result will be incremented, and that particular result, that particular I will be increased here in this place, then particular time it will be multiplied with this fact and the result will be stored in fact. Okay, then printf factorial of percentage d is, means the particular number which we will give will be shown here and the result we will get here, then num and fact. Okay, this num and fact. Okay, now let's compile it. See, 0 errors, 0 warning, so we can run it. Let's give a number, say 5. Okay. See, factorial of 5 is 120. Friends, friends, till now we have learnt about printf function, scanf function, in decision control statement like if else, switch, okay, if else if, and in iterative statement like while, do while, for loop. Okay, till now in all the videos which I have uploaded in internet, in YouTube, based on C programmings are up to this much, right? So based on this, based on these all videos, let me take a small test. That write a program to find out the day. Okay, write a program to find out the day for a given date. You can email me, or you can solve. If you have solved, then you can email me, you can comment me in my comment box. Okay, that I will give a particular date, say 19 August 1947. Okay, and the result will show me the particular day, that it is Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, like that. Okay, you can use the concepts which I have given in till now in these video sessions, from my beginning videos till now. So for today, this much, and hope friends, if you have liked our video, then please share and subscribe our video more and more, so that we can upload more videos by inspiring from your shares and from your comments. And if you think that some points we need to add, then of course you're welcome to tell us that yes, here is your fault, here you need to modify the things. Then we will surely apply those techniques. For today, this much. Thank you.